Hi everyone, welcome to another episode of Tell Me When. Today's topic is about when do rivers run backwards? Interesting. When do they run backwards? I guess we'll find out in today's video. In the former Soviet Union, the direction of several rivers was diverted or even reversed to provide water for irrigation. Some of the rivers running into the Aral Sea were diverted northwards in a huge water management project to irrigate land north of the region. In some cases, the direction of their flow was reversed. The result was that the Aral Sea began to dry up because no more river water flowed into it. Sometimes the flow is reversed naturally. But this only happens in very large rivers when the high tides overcome the normal river currents. In narrow parts of the river valley, the water begins to pile up, and eventually a wave called a tidal bore passes back up the river, sometimes for a great distance. That is surely a lot of information, but there's still more. Fact file. Remember when I said the word tidal bore? Well, what is a tidal bore? Tidal bores happen in the Amazon in South America, where there is a bore as high as 4.5 meters. A smaller bore travels up in the River Severn in England. Did you know the Mississippi River was reversed during the Hurricane Katrina in 2005? Yeah, it was. Rivers flowing backwards is a common occurrence during hurricanes along coastal routes around the world. So, what does it mean when a river flows backwards? Although it doesn't happen often, hurricanes can cause coastal rivers to flow backwards. With extremely strong winds and massive waves of water pushed by those winds, rivers at regular or low flow are forced backwards until either the normal river flow or the elevation of the land stop the inflow. Quick question, which river in the world flows backwards? That's right, it's the Amazon River. The largest river, based in South America, actually flows backwards. Okay, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Bye!